Hi everyone, my name is Thandi Nhleko, and today I'll be presenting on the topic primary motives. So what are primary motives? What is exactly a motive? A motive is the urge, need, want, and desire that includes a person to work. In physiological, a motive is generally defined as a physiological or a psychological arousal which influences the way we behave. Motives are often categorized by basic motives, which are learned common skills for both humans and animals. Primary motives are thoughts of hunger, sex, thirst, avoidance of pain, and etc. The first one is the hunger motive. Here we see I have a small comedy picture of people, of children that are yearning for food. What does this mean? That means this is a motive. They were motivated to go get food because of hunger. We develop hunger motive in order to maintain homeostasis. This is indicated by the contraction of stomach muscles causing some pain of discomfort called hunger pangs. Secondly, we have the thirst motive. This motive, it's generally aroused by how when we are thirsty, when we are dehydrated. When the water level in the body decreases, we develop a motive to drink water. We need to drink sufficient quantity of water to satiate our thirst. The need of oxygen. As human beings, we need oxygen to survive and to live. Our body needs oxygen continuously. Lack of oxygen supply may lead to serious consequences like damage or death. Temperature. Temperature maintenance. Now, our normal body temperature is around 36 and 37. For example, let me just make an example. Opening up a window, put on fans, tap home. This actually makes us to cool our bodies when it's actually heated. When we are feeling so overheated, it is normal for you to go get cold water, to put ice packs over your body, to open ACs. We do this so that we can maintain the body temperature. Moving on, the need for sleep. As human beings, we are required, there is a necessity for us to get enough rest. For the body gets overwhelmed and it gets to a state where it is unproductive if we lack rest. So sleeping is an essential process for the normal functioning of body and mind. It is observed that there is excessive accumulation of toxin called the lactic acid. When tired, sleep deprived also leads to psychological problems. Sex motive. This is a biological motive, arises in the organism as a result of secretion of sex hormones like androgens and estrogens. It is essential for the survival of the species. The society and the law of exercises certain codes of conduct for this act. The drive for elimination of waste. Our body cannot bear anything access to anything that is waste. We experience discomfort until these wastes are excreted out of our bodies. The need of avoidance of pain. Now, our bodies, they are very resistant when it comes to pain. No organism can continue to bear pain. For example, when we are under hot sun, we go to shade. When something is pinching, we avoid it. So the human being cannot bear such pain. So we try by all means to put a restrictive and protective mechanism. Thank you so much.